For today's recipe, here I've taken half kg of washed and cleaned squids or calamari. To add the color and the spice of this dish, here I've also added 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Along with that, I'm also going to be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and lastly half a teaspoon of salt. I'm now going to mix all of these ingredients and keep it aside and set it for marination for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm then going to take a pan, and to that I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. After adding the oil, I'm gently going to add the pieces of the squids to the dish. Now after adding the pieces of the squids, I'm going to fry this for a period of 5 to 6 minutes. While it is important for you to note that you don't want to over fry these squids, since this will make the squids really rubbery. It's been 6 minutes now, and at this point of time, I'm now going to be transferring these squids to another plate and keeping it aside. After that, in the very same pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Along with that, I'm also going to be adding 10 peppercorns, half teaspoon of ajwain, 1 stick of curry leaves, 3 slit green chillies, 8 chopped garlic cloves, 1 inch of chopped ginger, and 3 finely chopped medium-sized onions. I'm now going to fry this for a period of 4 minutes until the onions become nice and soft and turn to a golden brownish color. It's also important for you to mix it from time to time so the onions do not get burnt. After 4 minutes, I'm now going to add a puree of 1 tomato. After adding the puree of 1 tomato, I'm now going to mix the onions and tomatoes really well and stir fry this for a period of 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and I'm going to mix this really well with the onions and tomatoes and fry it for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm now going to add the salt as per taste, while keeping in mind I've already added salt to the squids earlier. After adding the salt, I'm now going to mix this really well and cook this for another 2 minutes on low-medium flame. After 2 minutes, you can now add the fried squids which you kept aside earlier to the dish. After adding the fried squids, you can now mix this really well with the dish and cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, as you can see here, the squids is mixed really well with the onions, tomato puree and the rest of the ingredients. At this point of time, you can now add half teaspoon of lime juice. Along with the lime juice, here you can also add some chopped coriander leaves to garnish it. After doing so, you can now switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.